In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subscription form to your Wix website for 2023. Whether you're looking to grow your mailing list or just keep in touch with your audience, adding a subscription form is a great step. Let's dive right in and I'll guide you through the process. First, we're going to start by heading over to Elfsight. This platform is fantastic for adding various widgets to websites, and the subscription form is just one of its many options. Once you're on the Elfsight website, look for the Widgets section. This is where you'll be able to find an extensive selection of widgets tailored for different purposes, so click there to continue. Now, in the search bar, type in Subscription Form. By doing so, you'll filter through the vast array of available widgets and hone in on subscription form options. As you type, you'll see the results update, showing you what's available. Once you see the subscription form widget option, go ahead and click on it. After selecting the subscription form widget, look for the option to Create Widget for free. By clicking here, you can start customizing your widget. Take your time here to make adjustments. Think about what will make your form appealing and functional for your visitors. Customize aspects like the text, colors, and fields to match your website's theme and your brand's requirements. With your widget ready to go, it's time to integrate it into your Wix site. So, head over to your Wix editor. Once there, locate the Add Elements button, usually found on the left panel. This opens up the options for adding different elements to your site. Now find and select Embed Code from the list of available elements. This step is crucial because it's how you'll be incorporating your customized subscription form onto your website. Next, you'll need to select Embed HTML. This option will allow you to paste the code that you've obtained from your Elfsight widget. Go ahead and paste your subscription form code into the provided area. Make sure you've got the whole code copied and pasted accurately to avoid any issues. Once you've pasted the code, simply hit Apply. This will finalize the integration of your subscription form onto your Wix site. Take a moment to preview your website and ensure that the subscription form appears and functions as expected. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a subscription form to your Wix website. Now your visitors have a seamless way to subscribe and stay updated with your latest news and offerings. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next tutorial. Phil Tom.